windows glitter like gold in the glint of the rising summer sun. And for those who have the imagination to see them that way, the gold seems almost real enough to touch and gather up and coin it. But to make it real and really to gather in the gold takes a different kind of touch. It does take a touch of imagination, of course, but it also calls for a powerful touch, the touch of a powerful name, a touch of genius with which to kindle the public's own imagination, to give velocity to the sale of one's products out in the marketplace, where the gold from golden windows is gathered into heaps by those who can and will. There is no need to tell you gatherers of gold that the Westinghouse room air conditioners you have sold so successfully go back to that day when the smallest yet most powerful compressor for its size powered the biggest breakthrough in the history of the room air conditioner business. The price was right, the timing was perfect, and Westinghouse, the people who captured the compact market, got into the air conditioning business with you in the biggest way and stayed in it and grew ahead of the market's rate of growth to its rightful place among the leaders. The velocity is there. The velocity of sales, the capacity and completeness of the line are there. We're already there in 1965. The finest line of room air conditioners in Westinghouse or anyone else's history. Don't touch it, you may have said, if only to yourselves. It's going beautifully. Don't touch those compacts. In 5 short years, Westinghouse has risen to within reach of the leadership of the market, second to one, able now to become second to none. Nobody's ever made such a reliable air conditioner before. They're the undisputed leaders far and away. They're truly portable. Don't touch them. Don't touch that line. We can put it into first place exactly as it is. You may have said or thought that. But what if we were to say to you, the people who captured the compact market have done it all over again? Suppose we were to say to you, there is a segment of the market, a segment almost so big as to comprise a market in and of itself, which no one has really touched to this day to turn it into gold. There is a window which stands untouched in the marketplace. It represents more than a third, nearly the half of 3 million aluminum windows being sold each year in this country. It is the sliding window, and it stands virtually untouched in the marketplace for air conditioners today. May we touch it? 5,500 BTUs, 8,000 BTUs. Designed for the purpose it serves, and it serves it with consummate ease. May we touch it again? More gold. It fits a casement window just as well, superbly. The people who captured the compact market have done it all over again. The sliding window is now your market to have and to hold. Touch it, and it turns to gold. There is another window, and it stands in the living room waiting. A living room window is not a place for machinery. Don't touch it, its mistress may have said. And yet neither is the living room or the dining room a place for sweltering heat. May we touch it? Panel Air, a new decorator touch air conditioner for those rooms in which machinery does not belong. When you aren't using it, it practically isn't there. But when you are using it, it is there, to the tune of 8,700, 10,200, or 15,000 BTUs. And when you want to shut it off again, it's gone. The shadow box framing of the Westinghouse panel air conditioner makes it seem smaller than it is. That's the decorator touch, integral with the unit itself. May we touch it again? Match the wallpaper, paste it on. Match the paint, paint it on. The living room, the dining room, the decorated room window. Touch it with a Panel Air by Westinghouse, and the gold is yours. There's an air conditioner, a brute of an air conditioner. Unbelievably powerful, unbelievably quiet. Some of you said those were its only weaknesses as a producer of gold. It was unbelievable. It lacked the rugged look. Some people found it difficult to believe that the Southerner could pack more than 2 tons of power in its refined and delicate-looking cabinet. Change it, some of you said. We can't sell it when it looks too dainty to do a man's job. Don't touch it, some of you said. We need that furniture look to make it sell. So we didn't touch it. We left it in the line. But we added a touch. We gave that ladylike Southerner a tough-looking brother. They'll believe this one, the Westinghouse Super Heavy Duty, with a look that goes with the power it packs. 12, 18, 20, reversible or not, 23.5, 26,000 BTUs. The same quiet marvel as the Southerner, now with the rugged look. Super Heavy Duty. Touch a window with this one, and much gold is yours. There is a window that stands untouched in many homes because the family that would buy a room air conditioner will not pay to have it installed and cannot install it. Stalemate. Many such windows have been touched and turned to gold with the Westinghouse mobile frame. But don't touch it? Oh, let us touch that frame just once for 1966. There, good as gold. What it did is an integral part of the compacts. It will do as a mobile frame for the Mobile Airs, 16 or 22 inch. Exciting new Mylar wing and all. How simple. Now you can touch it. Touch it to the hands of those who wish to install their own, and they'll hand you the gold themselves. 3 compacts, Mobile Air 5000, Deluxe Mobile Air 5000, and Custom Mobile Air 6000. The biggest news since the people at Westinghouse captured the compact market. The exciting new sliding window unit, which not only fits them to perfection, but fits casement windows as well, superbly. Comes in 2 sizes, 5,500 and 8,000. There are 12 models in all to serve the middle market. Among them, 3 16-inch Deluxe Mobile Airs, 6,000, 8,200, and 9,300 BTUs, and 4 high-capacity Mobile Airs from 10,200 to 17,000 BTUs. One of them has a particular magic about it. You knew it as a model that would remove 11,700 BTUs of heat per hour from a room. It would not have been honest to call it a 1-ton air conditioner, because a 1-ton unit must remove 12,000 BTUs per hour. And yet there are many buyers and prospects who will talk and want to be talked to in terms of tons. So we touched it. We beefed up the capacity, enlarged the evaporator, and now this high-capacity air conditioner in the middle of the line does remove 12,000 BTUs per hour. And you may use the magic words 1 ton at will. Use them on those who want them used, and they'll turn to golden words for you. And for the southern market, there are 4 reverse cycle heat and cool models, and 2 electric heat models ranging from 8,700 to 20,000 BTUs. 3 capacities for the stunning new Decorator Touch Panel Air, the one that isn't there until you want it. And to top the line, the Super Heavy Duty with the rugged look is available in 5 cooling models and a 20,000 BTU reverse heat and cool unit, along with its sister, the Southerner, a 5-model line just as powerful, twice as dainty. The finest line of room air conditioners in Westinghouse or anyone else's history. The Westinghouse line of room air conditioners for 1966. Don't touch that line? We wouldn't think of touching it, other than here and there. There is no need to tell you gatherers of gold how to sell room air conditioners. You have already shown us that you have that golden touch. What we have done has been simply to provide you with the means. Use them well. Touch the right windows and the right people with them at the right time and in the right way, the ways you already know. And watch those windows turn to gold for you.